Mama, oh my God!
Somebody say, oh my God. Part of the reasons why I started this reality series, as I call it, is for me to be able to, should I say rant? Like talk about stuff I don't like and complain about stuff, you know. So today, I want to do like a subtle complaint, you know. And I'm talking about things that people do that makes me things that make oh, you're gone. Things that people do that make me feel awkward. Maybe when they are meeting me for the first time or something, you know. So I'm talking about 10. Number 1, say I see you from afar, you see me from afar, then you start staring at me. Like that afar is like maybe 30 seconds away. So you are walking for the next 30 seconds, you are staring at me like into my eyes, into my soul. Your eye is taking an x-ray of me, like you are staring into me. And you know, those kind of things, like when I see you staring at me, I see, then I look away, I look back, your eyes are still there. I look away, I look back, your eyes are still there. Then you finally come get close to me and says you have been staring at me now. And me being a very polite guy that I am, I decide to greet you. Good afternoon. And you look away. Like you don't answer. That thing's annoying, oh. Hey, the thing is, like you have been staring at me. Obviously, you know me or something. Okay, I now greet you now as you have been staring into my soul since I greet you and you did not answer me. As I just greet, it's as if you are staring at me so that I will greet. Then I greet and you just look away. Emmanuel, calm down. Emmanuel, go, calm down. Number 2. This number 2, I'm going to divide it into 2A and 2B. Now, 2A, you see me, then you come and you be like, you look familiar. Do I know you? What kind of answer am I supposed to give to that question? How do I know if you know me? I don't really believe I'm not famous yet. I'm not a star yet. I'm getting there. Do you understand? So most times when people ask me that question, I'll just be like, oh, it's a small world. Maybe we went to the same, maybe we go to the same church or the same school. I will never ever tell you that, oh yes, you should know me. I'm a comedian. I've come. It leaves me in an awkward space because how do I respond to that? Is it that you know me or you don't know me? If you are not sure you know me, free. If you feel you know me, come and greet me. I will greet you back. And we have known each other in here and we move on. That's 2A. 2B is more annoying than 2A. People will come and meet me. You see me, then you come and meet me. Sorry, are you a comedian? Anytime you ask me that question when you meet me, my answers are always the same. Are you a comedian? I'll be like, no, I'm not. No, I'm not a comedian. No. I say, you look like one comedian guy like this. No, I'm not the one. I'm not the one. They will now start arguing with me. It's you now. It's you. Okay, so you know it's me. Why did you come to ask me? Why can't you just greet me straight and the world moves on? Now I'm saying, okay, it's not me. I'm not the one. Now you are fighting me that it's me. Is that fair? Number 3. This one is very creepy and is annoying. You see me and you just start laughing. Okay, no, it's okay. Like you see me. You can laugh when you see me because probably you remember some things are done or something you remember some funny things and you start laughing, but control yourself. And because you see me like right into my face, you just start laughing, walking into me and just start laughing, nothing else, just keep on laughing. Control yourself now and talk, greet me. Hey, sorry, I just remember your video is making me laugh. You are so funny. Then continue. Not just look at me and just start laughing. And some of them will just now stay in my phone. Just start laughing, staring into me, laughing. I'll try to move away. They block me. Keep on laughing.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Number 4 is kind of similar to number 3, but it's more annoying. You see me. First thing, like this is the first thing you are ever saying to me in life because we have never ever met anywhere before. We don't have any prior level of familiarity or cordiality or knowledge of each other.
What?
So this is the first time ever you are seeing me one-on-one. Probably, yeah, you've seen a lot of my videos, but you are seeing me one-on-one. The first thing that comes out of your mouth to me is, oh yeah, crack a joke for me. Oh yeah, make me laugh now. Oh yeah, do that your funny face. You need help. You people, you should stop. See, you should stop it. It's annoying me. And I'm not Lasisi. It's Lasisi that always gets angry. So it's annoying me. But at least when you meet me, we've not seen each other. You don't know me from anywhere. Do you understand? Like, whatever things I do that makes you happy, I like you being happy. Do you understand? All this is my comedy and everything. It's an act. It's not my real life. I'm a totally different person from the funny comedian, like you know. Ask my wife. I'm a very quiet and shy guy, and I like being serious. Do you understand? It's okay. It's okay. You want to laugh or something, but it's not. It's not like it's not like I'm a robot and you just press remote, crack joke. You've not even met me before. With like first time ever. Oh yeah, crack a joke for me now. Oh yeah, like it's so annoying, and it's most places it even happens is when maybe I go to stores or I go to an eatery, like I'm supposed to be your customer. This has happened to me. I don't want to mention names of places. It has happened to me like 4 or 5 times. I'm here. I'm trying to buy stuff. Okay, what do you guys have? You start looking at me. You start laughing. What if I go and look for your manager and just report? Is that like, did they not teach you customer service? You just start looking and start laughing. Okay, I ignore. I'm still like, okay, this is what, and you just keep on laughing. Then the next thing that comes out of your mouth, why are you looking serious? Okay, make us laugh now. It's so annoying, no? It's really, really annoying. I'm talking the way I'm talking so that it doesn't just come across that I'm fighting. That's why I'm trying to be funny with it, but it's really annoying. Like, you are adults now. I behave mature. You understand? That takes me to number 5. This was actually, I don't want to use any insulting words. You get it? But this one is this one is actually crazy. It's quite funny. But it's not funny when it happens. Okay, you see me, you've not seen me before again. This is the first time you have seen me, and the first thing you do, you just come and you just start showing me my video on your phone. You're not saying anything, you just start showing me my video on your phone. I don't understand. What am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to tell you, oh, it's me? That's me. Or am I supposed to tell you, oh, it's funny? Or am I supposed to tell you, oh, you're showing me, thank you? What am I supposed to do? You're not, like, you have seen me, you've confirmed in your video that, oh, yeah, this is the guy. So the next thing you're supposed to do, are you not supposed to come and show me? It's me that did this now. Like, so why are you showing me? And most times when they do it, they just show me the video and they just walk away laughing. Maybe I'm not handling it well. You guys should help me drop comments. Number 6. You see me. And these ones, they act serious. They just come and just start asking me some questions that I get confused. This later I now realize that, oh, this was what they were talking about. You see me, be like, why did they slap you in London and you now came to Lagos? Or why did you slap that guy like that? You start asking me questions about maybe one of my characters that I had played in one of my various skits. How am I supposed to connect? How will I know? You did not even put like a precursor, or like there was no intro. Why can't you just start like normally, like a normal human being, like amicably? I don't even have English to say. Like, what is wrong with you doing something like you just see me and you just come? You can even be laughing. Hi, oh my god, man, I like your videos, you are so funny. In fact, I'm sorry, but man, like this one you did when they slapped you in London, I will remember. You are referring to it, you have greeted me, you have established a connection. Do you understand? You don't just come from nowhere and just like the first thing you're just saying to me, you don't even know how my day has been, you don't know what I'm going through, you don't know how hungry, maybe Pupu is even catching me, you don't know what is doing me the next thing. Why you go slap that guy like that now? Oh, but I don't even know which one you're talking about. So I do these things every day. I've done plenty. Do you understand? It's my hustle. I do it to make you laugh, but yeah, I do it to make money too. Do you understand? So it's... Then number 7. This one is just utterly crazy and childish. Like, it still happened to me last week in one filling station. You see me and you start acting crazy. That's it. You start behaving mad. I'm serious. Like, just start crazy. Like, the filling station, I think maybe it was even their manager or something. I came down from my car, was trying to talk to the attendant, then this guy just came from nowhere and he just into my face. He looked at me like this, then he goes away. Then he comes back, looks at me like this, then he goes away. I was scared though, but it was just because he was properly dressed and because everybody around there were normal, you get. So I was just like, oh, okay, maybe he's not mad. Because naturally I would have just thought he was just a mad person and I would just be scared. Do you understand? Because I don't know you now. You don't know me. I've not seen you before. The first thing you are doing to me. Even Akororo, no, they do that to people when you first meet them. And Akororo get this thing. it's so like this particular one. Let me tell you what exactly actually happened. After the guy did like 3 times, I actually now got it that okay, he's not mad. He's trying to. This is his own way of saying hi to me. I just ignored totally, and it was right in my front. I just behaved like it was transparent, and I was focusing on my phone. The next thing, the guy just talks, bros, now wow, we the no be you at the hill. I say, so now hail, so you can even talk normally. Like, do you know me from? Do we know each other? Like, how can this be the first thing you are doing to me when we are meeting? So that is greeting. So as you greet me like this, maybe I'm supposed to be like you. As you greet you like that. What's that now? Although the guy apologized that, and yeah, we now greeted each other well, which should have been what should have happened in the beginning. Do you understand? Then number 8, this one is just very, very annoying. Some people are just plain rude when they just see me. Yeah, plain rude. One happened at a shopping mall somewhere in Adeola Odeku like a few months ago. Yeah, I passed by this girl and this guy. I think they are boyfriend and girlfriend, and I could tell, like, you know, like the way she looked at me. But go back, because of number 1, when people look at me now, when people just look at me, I just face my front, because when I greet you now look away. I don't like to waste my greeting. So if you greet me, I will respond. So I noticed her looking at me, but I was just facing my front because she didn't say hi, she didn't say anything. Then they start muttering, and I kind of knew they were talking about me, but I was just going where I was going. Then the next thing, the boyfriend just goes, why your trousers no touch ground now? Like, see, this is a different thing. If like you are my friend, I know you normally. Do you understand? But I don't know you. Like, you don't know me. It's just plain rude for you to just create some level of familiarity. It's not even okay. If you want to be familiar politely. Why your trousers no they touch ground? Meanwhile, I was some 1/3 native and everything. Do you understand? I just kept on going. I did not even look back. I did not even do as if pin fell down. Then his girlfriend, they were now saying that's how all of them used to do. They would feel like they started insulting themselves now, not me. Like, see that kind of scenario. I'm a human being too now. Don't let me cry on it. I have feelings too. Do you understand? I like to be treat me normally. I take because, and okay, very seriously now, because of all these things I do online, because like, yeah, but majorly comedy is what brings most of the money. I don't play with my seriousness in real life. Do you understand? I'm actually really ask my wife, I'm very, very quiet and very, very serious. So I don't, don't take me for granted now. You get, respect is reciprocal. It's a mirror effect. It's how you treat me. Whatever you throw at me, that you get back. Do you understand? So most of these things I just ignore and I just move on. If you meet me, greet me like normal person, and answer you like normal person. Number 9. This one, very, very annoying too, and very, very, very extremely annoying. This one is just people that you're meeting me for the first time and you're just being a pest. Basically, just being a pest. This very example that I still remember, and it's so annoying. I went to this popular mall with my wife and my daughter and our maid. We went for shopping, grocery shopping and some other stuff, you know. So she was getting things, everybody was getting stuff, so I was just going around and everything. Then there was this lady, everybody they had done from number 1 to 8, because some of them knew me, all of them knew me when I came in. Some of them greeted me normally, and I was, thank you, how you doing? Then some of them just started acting either from number 1 to 8. They had already started doing it, so I was already boiling inside, but I just ignored. Then this particular lady, this particular girl, I think she's one of these, you know, these people that she was selling milk and she wore the cap of the milk and all that, you know. I passed by her, and had taken me. I had the kind of milk I was trying to get that they had gotten it. I'd gotten milk. Then you had been seeing me since, so you did not pre-greeting or anything. Then all of a sudden you just walk up to me. Buy our milk now. This thing. I'm like, sorry, I've gotten milk. I even smiled. I'm like, sorry, no, I have gotten milk. Like, why? Why don't you want to buy this one? But she just keep buy our milk now. Why? At this point, I was just like, okay, let me just ignore. I just start moving. I just started going, and she keeps following me. Why? Buy our milk now. I'm talking to you now. She kept on following me. Next thing, why are you even looking serious? Are you not supposed to be making us happy? Why is your face? She kept on following me all through. I just ignored her. It wasn't easy. Like, you saw me, you asked me if I wanted, and I was no, I'm sorry, I've got another one. Okay, not today, maybe some other time. Then you kept on pestering. Then you started following me around. like, and I was with my family, and you don't even know what mood I was in at that point. It's okay. With this, okay, there's still number 10. Number 10. This one is just crazy and funny. And it happens in groups, like you and your friend just see me. You can see me. I can see you. I know you just saw me. You get. Sometimes I want to greet. They look away. You know that thing, I greet and you don't. So me, then you see me and you just start talking. Gisting with your friend about me. As if I'm not there. And you know the way, you know those primary school gossip that you are talking about somebody, but you're looking into the person's eyes. So the person knows you are practically talking about him. Do you understand? That one too happens a lot, man. It's just crazy, man. But at least I've put it out there to you, my family. I know all my subscribers here, you will not do that when you meet me now. You are my people now. That's why I'm complaining to you that so I'm using you people as my boromiro. You understand? So yeah, I just decided to let that out. It feels good that it's out. Saying all this, I just want to appreciate people because I met amazing people, like ladies, guys, elderly people. They just walk up to me. Even the ones that don't really remember me, they're like, "Oh, I'm so sorry. What's that your name again, man? I love your videos." And I'll be like, "Oh yeah, oh my God. Yeah, you get." Like, some just walk up to me and just greet me. Hi. The girls that always do this. Hi. I like that thing. They will just go, "Hi. You're so funny, you know." And they just keep going. They continue with their life. Or some will just be like, "Hey, sorry, can I take a picture with you?" And yeah, I will help you snap the picture and everything. You get. Like I said, I'm not a celebrity. You just see me. I'm just in your face every day. You understand? So when you open your internet, you always see me. So you know me more than I know you for now. Until I now meet you. Do you understand? So just act sane. Act sane. So yeah, shout out to everybody that sees me and meets me and they say hi normally. You understand? I appreciate that. You get. For every other person that might be seeing this and you might be in those other categories, I love you guys too. Right? It's not like I don't love you. I love you. God bless you. Thank you. I know that everything too is out of love. You understand? But let's just do the love logically. You get. Just shift your paradigm to my end. Just try and imagine how will I feel to whatever action you want to act at me. You understand? Well, thank you very much. I will try and keep these things 10 minutes. It's just when I start talking passionately, I can't just help it. You understand? So it's like come your way next time. Hopefully in another 2 weeks or maybe before then. But at least every 2 weeks, I'll try and be bringing something up. More interesting episodes are going to be coming. Till that time, somebody say, "Oh."